Hello, everyone. Hello and welcome at Apidays London in 2021. We're really glad to have you for, I think it's this 70th conference since 2012, and especially the seventh one in London on the subject of open banking. We will be talking for the next 2 days about how APIs enable the shift from open banking to embedded banking, and we will also see how it affects insurance, retail, healthcare, and other industries that are far or closely related to banking. So we have more than 60 speakers, and we'll have a lot of attendees that will be there with us to share about the state of APIs in banking and finance industries. So before we dive into the content, let me share with you some things about the event. And the theme of the event is really about reaching maximum potential in banking and insurance with the API mindset. We will see what does that mean in our tracks today and tomorrow. And a few words about API Days conferences. The goal of these conferences has been to connect the humans behind APIs since 2012. We used to do it in a physical manner. Since the COVID-19 crisis, we're doing it virtually. And I'm really glad to announce that next year, when the regulation allows it, we will be back in a physical manner, at least for hybrid events. So we used to connect humans physically, virtually, and next year it will be at least hybrid. So yeah, a lot of you are expecting it. We're asking for it. We're doing it. So it's one of the last virtual events. Please enjoy it, and let's seize the opportunity to have speakers that could not travel in a physical manner, but that could be there today for this virtual event. So let's enjoy the virtual good effects for today and tomorrow. So Apidays is a series of conferences. Now we're in October in London, but we have also other events along the year, especially the next event in Paris. But you can follow all our events on apidays.global or apidays.co, and you will be able to see the whole list of events when you can already register or apply to speak. So API Days it's more than 60 events. Almost all the sponsors of the industry have been there, and it's really important for us to have the vendors and the speakers together, the one who know the tools and together the one who know the job, and then we will be able to make the link, connect the dots between the tools and the job. We reached the 50,000 past attendee bar, and we have globally a community of 300,000 members across our channels. So thank you for being part of this community. So if you want to make some noise about the event, if you want to share some slides, or if you want to some quotes about you may have heard, you can use the hashtag Apidays London and mention us at Apidays Global. It will be a pleasure for us to retweet you for your comment. Apidays is a series of conferences, but not just only. We do events. We also do consulting. We help companies hire API talent. We do a specific research, classes and training, and we also write content. So anything which is API related, you can reach us to help your API program on whatever topic you may need. 3 initiatives I really want to share with you as founder and chairman of the conference. The first one is women in APIs. You know the topic. We don't have enough gender diversity in the tech community, and especially in conferences that are really representative of the industry on that topic. So we launched 2 years ago this Women in API initiative. So if you are a female in working APIs, or if you know a female colleague who deserve to speak at API industry events, who is knowledgeable on the business side, tech side, whatever, design, please refer her to the program. Or if you feel a female in APIs, please register to that program. It's a scouting program for empowering female to take the stage and speak about their practice, their skills, their knowledge about APIs. So even if you're a first-time speaker, or if you're already an experienced speaker, don't hesitate to join the program. We would be glad to help you and nurture more gender diversity in the industry. We also have a second initiative more about sustainability called the Sustainable Digital Challenge. It's a 3-month challenge where product teams and engineering teams comes together from the same company and actually try to refactor their current application or architecture according to eco-design principles on the design and the UX, on the code, on the architecture, and some of them even on the hardware part. So we have mentors across all Europe that can accompany all the project. So if you are interested by joining the challenge, you can go on our website and you will be able to register as a team and be coached by your mentors. It's a free 3 months program, enabled by our sponsors, but you will be able to really rethink your application and infrastructure according to sustainability goals you may have for your own company. Last but not least, of our initiative, it's APIscene.io. It's a media platform for APIs. So most of our speakers actually love to write an article of their talk after the event in a written manner to make the content live a little bit longer. So you can learn and read about all these talks and all these articles on APIscene.io, a platform where the goal is really to inspire the community one API story at a time. So APIscene.io as a reader, you can also be one of the writer, and we have also a scouting program for writing API articles there. Now it's time to dive into Apidays London. We really want to thank our sponsors, especially No Name Security, IBM, Auth0, DataStax, Sensedia, Software AG, and Solace. We, as I said earlier, we really try to gather the people who know the best the job, like some API practitioners, API platform managers, and business managers about APIs, and also the one who know the best the tools. And we believe that by gathering the one who know the job and know the tools, you as an attendee, you will be able to go back to know the tools to do the job. So that's what we try to achieve, and we really thank them, the sponsors. Thanks to the sponsors, the event is also free online, so you can attend for free. So we really want to thank them. Also on the silver and bronze sponsor, so Akana, Axway, Expert AI, Graph CMS, Red Hat, Trustable, Amadeus for developers, API Wiz, and /Data, who will be actually, some of them will be speaking in the next days.